Hello, today I'm going to show you how to brake in case of emergency using your electromechanical parking brake system on your Audi A4 S401. Have a seat, and if you have an emergency situation, then you can make an emergency brake with your EPB. You can use the emergency braking function in emergencies, or if the main brake system fails, or the pedal is obstructed. How we perform this? For the electronic park brake, we have a lever in the center console. And if we are pull and hold that button, the brake will release immediately if we release the button or press the accelerator in emergency while you make an emergency breakdown, as you can see. If you pull and hold that button while the vehicle is moving, it will initiate an emergency brake application. The brakes are then applied hydraulically at all four wheels. The effect is similar to heavy braking. To prevent the emergency braking function from being used accidentally, a warning buzzer sounds when the button of the parking brakes is operated. The brakes are released immediately when they release the button, or we press the accelerator. Okay, let's perform this again. We keep holding it and make an emergency braking system use right now. Pull and brake out that power, that force. But while you're performing that, ABS and ESP is still working. And to stop this, as shown in that video, only release the button or push the accelerator. Job's done, baby. So easy it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!